welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we are unboxing the July 2019 Bullymake. For those of you that are not familiar, Bullymake is a subscription for dogs. Yay! Oscar and Otis love this because it always comes with treats and toys. Now, the front of the box is so cute. I am going to cover up my address because that is where my address is located, but being that this is the July box, I think it is super cute that, let me do it this way. This is how they did the front of the box. So I just thought that it was super cute that little different pups are like the stars and then we have the stripes. I just thought it was super adorable. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Bullymake before we actually get into opening the box, a little bit more specifics. It is a monthly box for power chewers. It is always free shipping with the box. It is $39 a month. If you go ahead and prepay, you can get it as low as $31 a month. And you will receive 5 to 6 premium items every month, which is going to break down into 2 to 3 toys or 3 to 4 treats. Now, you do have the ability to let them know of any allergies that your pet may have. So if you know chicken or lamb or rice, gluten, any particular type of thing that irritates your dog, you can let them know and they will not send treats or anything that has that product in it. So I think that is super awesome that they do that. Now, they also ask you for the size of your dog because they will customize based on that, which I think is also great. And when you do your first order, this I think is really cool. And I wish a lot of companies did this. And I mean, a fair amount do, but when you place your order, it ships the next business day. So I think that is awesome. And then it is every 30 days after that. Now, you will have a link down below if you would like to sign up. So definitely head over, check them out. If you've got pups, especially ones that like to tear up stuff, this is the box for them, I promise you. Because Oscar loves toys. Now, believe it or not, Otis, he really doesn't care for toys. He is about the treats, absolutely. Oscar, he's about the toys and the treats. But Oscar is also, even though he's tiny, he's mighty because he will tear a toy up in a minute. We have had to buy like the Tough brand of toys. He has not destroyed any of the toys we've received from Bullymake. I do want to say thank you to Bullymake for sending this to me for review and to share with you guys. They do send this to me for free, so thank you, Bullymake. I do appreciate it. Oscar and Otis appreciate it. But let's get in here and see what July 2019 is all about. Oh, the bottom of the box is even cute, y'all. All right, so tape's getting stuck on my box cutter. They, last month there were 3 different treats and one of them was like a cloud or a rain treat or something, and it was like a peppermint treat. Y'all, those made their breath not like crucial. So, all right, so when we open it, this is how we see how it comes. And it says, new monthly giveaway. Text Bullymake to 555-888 for a chance to win a year of free boxes. That's awesome. So there you go. If you'd like a chance to win, text Bullymake to 555-888. A chance to win a year of free boxes. Hold that up for a second so you guys can see. That's fantastic. I'm so excited for this box. I know that it's for my dogs, but I get so excited because it's always amazing. Always amazing. All right, so then we have our card here, July Bullymake. And you can see it is red, white, and blue. And on the back, it will tell you about certain toys and the pricing. So we'll look at that in just a minute. And now we're just going to peel the paper. Well, I say we are. We're going to peel the paper. And we're going to see what they got. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing, oh, I love when they send these. Okay. Oh, and it says Bullymake. If I'm not mistaken, most of the toys that you receive in this box are made actually by Bullymake. They're Bullymake toys. All right, so this is a drum. Look, drumsticks on top. But it's a snack treater toy thing. This is $18. Let the party continue with this drum. Your power chewer can use it to set the pace of a march, or maybe just chew on it and chase it around. To celebrate this 4th of July, fill the sturdy rubber toy with your treats and throw it around. Your patriot might not even notice the fireworks with this toy, made in the USA. So again, Oscar loves these. We got one last month that was like a dinosaur egg that you could put the treats in, and it keeps him occupied and he just has a good time. So yay, we got another one. Let's see what else. All right. What is this? Bullymake Fife. Tough nylon chew. Tear here. Important directions for use. Always supervise. Not intended to be eaten or swallowed. If you think your dog has swallowed a piece, take away. Okay. It just says to check frequently for damage. Which, I mean, you're going to want to do with any toy because you don't want your dogs, like, ingesting anything from a toy. This is a fife. It says Bullymake. Mom skills. $18. Listen to your patriot. Play a fine tune with this American Revolution era fife. It can withstand the most musical pups, and yours will enjoy chewing it for hours. Made from tough nylon right here in the land of the free. So yay. So we got 2 awesome toys, and I can tell by pulling that out we have 3 treats. So let's see what they got this month. Everything's in like the red, white, and blue theme, which I'm loving. Bullymake Fresh Sticks. All of their snacks, the treats, are always healthy. And it tells you, you know, on the back, everything that's in it. They're always made in the USA. And, you know, it's not stuff that you can't pronounce, or you know what I mean, like it's potato flour, water for processing, if I could speak. Chicken, gelatin, natural smoke flavor, mint extract, parsley. So it's awesome that these treats are always healthy and amazing for your pets. So we have the fresh sticks, maybe with the mint extract. That means these are going to make their breath smell good. All right, and then I dropped one. We have Bullymake Firecrackers. Let's see. They have pea starch, pork liver, potato starch, natural smoke flavor, dried yeast, brewer's dried yeast, vegetable glycerin. So I'm wondering if maybe they're just kind of shaped like fireworks, maybe, but they're yummy treats. So we have those. And then, let me pick these up. It wouldn't be a Southern Mom video if A, I didn't have something on my shirt, because I'm a mess, or if I didn't drop something. These are Bullymake Liberty Bell Bites. And let's see, pea starch, pork, lentil flour, coconut, gelatin, tapioca syrup, pea powder, beet pulp, pea fiber, chicken, natural smoke flavor, garlic powder. So that's what I'm saying. These snacks always are perfect. These snacks are amazing. These snacks sound super yummy, and I don't have a question of giving these to my dogs. Like, I know I can trust that these treats are going to be amazing and that my dogs are going to love them. So I just think that's fantastic. So we got a good variety. We got some sticks. We got 2 different kinds of like bites. We got 2 awesome toys. One we can use to actually stick treats in, which Oscar will enjoy, and then the other toy here. So thank you again to Bullymake. This was the July 2019 box. Let me know your thoughts down below. I know Oscar and Otis are going to be very happy when I finish filming and go open these treats and put them in the treat jar. So again, don't forget about that 3,000 subscriber giveaway. It does end on the 17th. And the link will be below if you have not entered. I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button if you have not already. We'd love to have you. And as always, like I said, please leave a comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye!